everybody, Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, where we provide peace of mind to families through estate planning, elder law, and probate matters. Today we're going to talk about the 4 steps to funding your living trust. Before we get there, however, if you have any estate planning or probate questions, you can reach out to us for a free conversation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. Now, every time our clients are establishing a revocable living trust as a part of their plan, they're itching to know what it takes to fund that trust and what their quote-unquote homework will be, as I define it. Of course, we wait and tell them we have to wait until their trust is actually established to talk about it, because there's really no point to go in through those details beforehand. The firm you work with should assist you with a couple of the heavy lifting items, but some of them should be done on your own, as it's a lot easier instead of paying someone else to do them for you. So what are the 4 main categories for funding your trust? First, you have your real property. This is where the attorney's office and the law firm you're working with should be involved, as they'll establish a deed and all the transfer documents for any real property that you own. Secondly, if you have any business interests, which may even be an LLC interest that owns real property, but then again, your interest is in a business as opposed to the property alone. Those interests should be assigned to your trust. And again, the law firm you work with, your local estate planning counsel, should be able to assist you with this. Oftentimes, we'll also assign things as your personal assets to your trust so that it may be managed by yourself now and then your successor trustees moving forward. Now, the other 2 core pieces of your funding homework is the half that you are responsible for, at least on how we process things with our clients. The first is preparing a new account in the name of your trust for any cash assets and non-retirement investments. So if you have a brokerage account that's not retirement, or a bank account, you need to create a new account under the name of your trust, transfer those assets, of course ironing out all the ups and downs, or ins and outs, I should say, of direct deposits or direct withdrawals. That is the biggest part that may be a little bit of a pain for you. But once it's done, it's done. And once you've ironed that all out and all the assets are over to the new trust account, you close your old account that was in your individual name, knowing that, of course, in the future, anytime you open a new account, you create it in the name of your revocable living trust. Now, in the years ago, maybe a decade or so ago, you used to be able to retitle your existing bank account. That doesn't occur anymore. You have to actually create a new account. The second homework item for our clients, and the 4th in your sort of funding process when it comes to establishing your trust and properly funding it, is changing your beneficiary designations. Okay? That would take place with regard to retirement accounts as well as your life insurance policies. Oftentimes, if you are a married individual, you will need to make sure that your spouse is still the primary on any retirement accounts, and otherwise the trust becomes either your contingent or primary beneficiary throughout. That's trust funding in a quick nutshell. 4 easy steps, pretty much. Thank you so much for joining us. And as a reminder, if you have any estate planning or probate questions, you can reach out to us for a free conversation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. If you like this information and think it may be useful for others, we'd appreciate it if you share, like, and subscribe where appropriate so nobody misses out. Again, I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, where we provide peace of mind to families through estate planning, elder law, and probate matters. Take care.